Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, I will show you how to print even numbers of a given number. In the previous video, I already shown you how to print even numbers of a given number. I will provide that video link in the I button, so please check it out. In this video, what I am going to tell you, in the previous video, I have written the code like this. Then I got output like this. Enter a number, I entered 20. Then I got even numbers from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 till 20. But in general, even numbers starting from 0, 2, 4, 6 like that. But here we missed 0. We will see how to get from 0 to till the given number. This is the previous code. I will explain the code once again. This line of code is used to enter a number by the user. Then x equal to 0 while x less than n. It will see if the statement is true or not. If the statement is true, then it will enter the loop. Then it will increment the value of x by 1. Then it will enter if statement. If modulus of 2 equal 0, then it will print x. Otherwise, no. Here, first x equal to 0. Then it will check 0 less than n value. Suppose n equal to, in this case we took 20. For example, x equal to 0, right? 0 less than 20. The statement is true. So it will enter the loop. Then it will increment the value of x by 1. Now the value of x is 1. 1 modulus of 2 equal 0. If it is true, then it will print 1. Or else it will go again to the loop. Now 1 less than 20. Yes, 1 less than 20. The statement is true. So it will enter the loop. Now it will increment the value of x by 1. Previously value of x is 1. Now it will increment by 1. Now x value is 2. Then it will go to x modulus of 2. Means 2 modulus of 2 equal 0. Yeah. Now the statement is true. So it will enter the loop, enter the conditional statement, then print x as 2. So we got 2 here. But what we want, output as 0, 2, 4, 6 like that. Now in the previous code we are missing 0. Now we will see how to get even numbers from 0 to till given number. Remove x increment statement here and write over here. Save. Now go to command prompt to execute the code. Give file number, file name .py extension. Now we have to enter the number. We will take same number 20. Now you can see the output 0, 2, 4 till 18 we are getting. Means we have to check here equal to. Save. Now we will check the code. Even dot file name dot py. We will give same number 20. See, from 0 to 20 we are getting. Even number starting from 0, right? So we are getting this. Let's copy the output and paste over here. Yeah, we are done. This is the output. In the previous video, we got from 2 to till number, till the given number. In this, we are getting from 0 to till the given number. That is the difference. Yeah, that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep coding. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon.